Hello guys, today I'm going to do the magic of the slime video. I never did a doll video like this before, but let's start. And before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. You have 5 seconds to do it. Did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you do it? If you did it, you can get this yummy pizza. Let's start. I'm so tired. Now, let's start. I feel something like sticky on the floor. What is it? I'm not very sure. I finished my breakfast. What? Ah! It's here! The slime is here! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, where should I put it? Where should I put it? Ah, no! I don't get it. Oh! No, I'm covered with the slime. Oh no. Ooh, I can't stop it. Okay. I think I'll put this all in this basket. Oh no. How can the slime just teleport? I'm not very sure that the slime can teleport. Oh no, the slime really can teleport. Aww. Oh no. Guys, if you know that the slime is just teleporting because of his magic, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Ah, now it's on my bed. Oh no, I remove it quick before it sticks and I have to get a new bed sheet. Oh no! Ah, phew. How does the slime teleport? The slime really can teleport. I don't know. How can it really teleport? Shopkins, do you know about the slime? Ooh, let's go to the calculator. It said the slime teleports because of his magic. So it is true. It's the magic of the slime. We should get rid of that slime. Oh no, I hear noise. Ah, it's all the slime. Oh no, I need to get rid of this. Shopkins, can you handle it? Ah, run, Shopkins. Oh no, they're stuck. I need to help them. Oh, I found a magical pearl. That would help us. Wow, it's a nice potion. Wait, it's a perfume. It's a slime perfume. Let's sniff slime. Okay, then get the Shopkins out. One, yay, thanks for saving me. Now, very isolated. Oh, what's that gonna ring? I can't find her. Oh no, hello. Oh, I think I feel her. Okay. Nine hours later. I'm so exhausted. It's time to go to bed. Good night. Ah! It's the slime again! How could it really teleport? Oh, remove it, and this is gonna be a long night. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, and hit the notification bell beside that subscribe button. Bye, guys.